Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Hey Shagan, what's up? Before we talk here, I want us to dive deep, I wanna play some songs. Before we start, because today is a good day. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Oh, this is the day. Yes, this is the day that the Lord has made. And we shall rejoice and be glad in it. If you believe it, let me hear you say amen. Okay, let's start with this. Close your eyes. Oh, why is it not working? Excuse me, I'll be back soon. I think something is wrong with my beat, my beat. Hey guys, I'm the jewel of the Nile. I see where we find my eagle eye. The heart of the Most High. It was written. Yes, this is the day the Lord has made, and we shall rejoice and be glad in it. Oh, this is the day. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice. Yes, we never ever going down. Okay, so listen to the next song and then tell me what you think. Okay? Listen to the next song. It's really enough. Okay. So Muti and your mom boy says, what do you guys see? I mean, there is a lot of similarities in all these songs that I played. If you listen to Stevie Wonder, it's talking about haters. If you listen to HIT, it's talking about haters. If you listen to Most High, it's talking about how a nipa bi etimi yuma. Obeye nipa den, nipa da se ni dia obeka ho asem. If you listen to Atamfo betcha mu kakedro, udi ya wagura ya beba mu petetuo. Haters, right? Uti share on you. Haters say this girl can't sing, but every song I drop, I just the win. Haters say this girl can't sing, but every song I drop, tell me now who that girl. It be me that girl. Tell me now who that girl. Yeah, so basically, if you listen to all the songs that I played right now, it's all about haters. Yes, that's Wendy Shay, because I've faced, a lot of hatred since I came into this industry. And I don't represent mechanic say it's okay to have haters. As a matter of fact, I love haters. I love my haters. You guys, you don't know what you do for me. You bring out the best in me. You guys inspire me to, always go for gold. Because so I'm cool with it. Actually, I pray to God, say, me hater biano. On channel, yeah, it's good to pray for your enemies, right? So, as a musician, as an artist, whatever goes into my music is the emotions, whatever that I go through. And then I'm a that is why a lot of people or my fans can relate to me. because they realize that I'm singing it from a deep place. You understand? Yes, and yet just because as a ministry, and I sing because this is what I go through, right? And what I want to say is, if God blesses you with a very big gift, you end up getting haters. You end up getting enemies, which is good because our Bible, I mean, ask yourself, you understand? Because I mean, I will say atamfuni hu ade anyame timi what you saying to say adoma chede da oso esu you end up getting people, oppositions. You get people hating you for no reason. And that you be to pno atamfuni e be fe what you say. So you need all these people to send be anyame asema waka fa ho no e be dan and I say, you understand what I'm saying? So it's good to have people who don't like what you're doing. It's good to have enemies. So God bless my enemies, right? What you say? So what I want to say is, I am very grateful. Thank you, Ghana. Thank you, Ghana. I have a good news. I love Ghana. I love Ghana. Like, I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't to be for Ghana. So I love Ghana with my heart. That is the main reason why I came all the way from Germany to serve my God-given gift to my people. You understand? So, I actually came here. Today is a very great day for me. It's a good day. Like, it is amazing. A lot of people heard what was going on this week. There's been so much brouhaha about Wendy Shay. Wendy Shay is this, Wendy Shay is on drugs, Wendy Shay, and I came out to clear all those, negative trends about me. Matthias here. And the assigned no who boom last cramp way say Wendy Shay akwa kodua nyom. Wendy Shay akwa kodua nyom. Jerusalem. Minyum pray for the world na stolen song. And actually today is a great day. Me ba abai no mo ababe. Sharing my happiness, because anka probably anka still no I'll be still wondering why my music has been taken off YouTube. In Prophobic reporting, I mean probably in Nimba brain know what happened. They know say about out say that was like a couple of days ago. About out say YouTube for taking menu down. Which is true, and I honestly don't know the people in Crofobina report say it's the same as Jerusalem. But in Sri Lanka nyame somno ma menimungu aseda. Nyame Shay gang esomno all my enimungu aseda. And that's 3 o'clock and omo denyom no assign back after it was so stressful after writing emails writing big emails, going back and forth with them. Finally, they came to agree with us. Say, the music is nowhere, close to stolen. So, they were like, okay, we have every right to the song. Because the drum pattern now, Afrobeats, we all have the same drum pattern. We actually use the same. We're allowed to use, we basically use the same drum pattern. Yeah, right. And Utie Jerusalem, it is different from Pray for the World when it comes to even the chord progression, the lead tones, melodies, lyrics, delivery, everything is so different from Jerusalem. So now, it's good to have haters because if they hate you, the more God blesses you. You understand? It's good. So, they realized that we didn't steal the song. And so right now, Jerusalem is back on YouTube. It's on all digital platforms. And Tisesia, why you me boy, on the Messiah, beginning of my live video, I actually was playing that song. And I'm going to play it again. Because and there Nijeda, Emma, Wendy Shay, Shay Gang, and Raftown Records. And Ghana, yes. And they needed that Emma Ghana. And until and them ba mene minuanum Ghana for yeba besa. And they needed that ma industry, no, because menyum na samba back. Yes, the Queen of Ghana music. Menyum no koya asaya ba. Until they needed that Ghana music industry because mu queen and yum no asaya ba biu. Hey, one more say Mama Sambo Nyumnibium because it's important. But before I dive into the song, Mianum bloggers for when the song was taken down, I realized that the bloggers were broadcasting the story, say Wendy Shay Koreanium, Wendy Shay I say the whole world came to hear of it, say Wendy Shay Koreanium. Intime pamocho enyom na samba back Miss Ramo Monsan broadcasting the whole world say Wendy Shay min Koreanium biaye enyom na asan back ye din kunim. And I know, sir, you guys are going to do it, my beloved bloggers, because you guys love me. Muddo Wendy Shay, man, bros. And I'm so made domo. Meaning, say Ghana for Munina, Modome, men so made domo. And untina, oh, big bia, me damn, me person me do, big bia say, or fast same way a tone of come so say, no. This cannot be happening to our queen. And unti. Munyina modern paibo Shay Gang Ghana me Rough Town. Oh, like the love was so deep, the love was massive. I want to thank you guys so much for supporting and fighting with me so that we will be victorious. Glory belongs to Jesus. Glory belongs to Jesus, the King himself, the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. I am so grateful that God has listened to our prayers. Enti bloggers me pamo show. Send ya mo broadcasting news ne say Koreanium no. Say enyom na asamba about say Wendy Shay me Koreanium biaye. Enti me pamo show. Monsan broadcasting san news we. E ma manfo nyina nti say enyom no asan ayeden. Aba. I know that you're going to do this for me. I love you guys so much. But and they need that pint, me person me bought san nyom ni biom. Now yeah, did I say more thing? What you say? Right. Shout outs to my Quill people. Shout outs to my German people. All of you from Stuttgart. I want to say shout out to Royal. Right. Hey, me mama sending me about how Royal. Right. Hey, sister coast, but sure I have a boy make a cry. They make no Royal. Yes. So, hi Royal, how you doing? I hope you're fine. Perceive, Madam Muminas, for your support, right? Thank you. Okay, let me read some comments. Let's see. I love you too. I love you. I love you. I love you too, Kweku Samson. I love you. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. I want to say a very big thank you to my mom. Big thank you to Bullet. You guys have been a great support. Thank you to my family, to the Shay Gang. Shay Gang. Gang. I love you guys to the core. And yes, so yeah, who said my neck is tired. My neck is not tired, please. I am perfectly fine. Oh yeah, Stuttgart for. I love you all. More Denmark, more England, more US. Oh, I see the love, guys. Thank you guys for helping me fight. MOG, I see you. Thank you, MO, for helping me fight this fight too. I am grateful. So this is the song. Guys, this song is my favorite song, basically, you know. This song is my favorite song. I promised my fans that I was gonna follow them. So if you're a fan, if you're a Shay Gang and I haven't followed you yet, please send me a DM right now. Send me a DM so I can follow you back. Operation Follow those who support me genuinely. Operation Follow core fans, diehard fans. And so that was it basically. 2021, like I said, I will be bringing out a great album. It's a masterpiece. Like I have, you know, been having sleepless nights because of this album. I actually slept this morning at 7 o'clock because I was putting, you know, I was putting great songs together so that you guys can enjoy the great album that I'll be bringing out. So like I said, this song, Pray for the World, is on YouTube. It's on every digital platform. God bless each and everyone supporting me. I am very grateful. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. Words cannot express how much I love you guys, because without you, I am, you know, nobody. I am Wendy Shay because of you. So please, guys, keep supporting. And yes, like I said, I think that's it for now. I talked about the album, and that Pray for the World is on every digital platform. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Elizabeth Kweku. Yes, thank you. God bless you too, Mehema Love. Sandra Kelly, I love you too. Thank you, Afrakoma Nanaya. I'll keep the fire burning. Okay, right, I will. So just text me on IG and I will follow you back. So thank you guys so much. I love you guys to the core. I think that's it. So take care. God bless you. God bless you with your heart desire. I sprinkle the blessings of God over everybody listening to me right now. God be with you. I love you. Be more shameless. Let's cheer out the game, right? Let's cheer out the game. Kojo Baileys. What's he saying? Oh, wow. I'm going to read your comment. Bambo, watching from UK. I love you. Florence, thank you for loving this song. So, thank you guys so much. Bye. Hasta la vista. Peace and love and harmony. Mwah.